DRG Kids.
The story of the manipulative aunt. In a city lived two brothers named Vikas and Vinay. Both brothers had a lot of love for each other. Their wives, Seema and Bharti, were also close to each other. The two brothers started their business in the city with a lot of hard work, and in no time their business grew by leaps and bounds. Their family was very happy. One day in the
Vinay, be quick, brother. Today the new factory will be inaugurated. We will get late.
Yes, brother. Let's go. I'm ready.
Right then, Seema and Bharti come to do a puja. Seema says, "Please wait a while. Please apply tika. Everything will go smoothly." Both the wives apply tika and do a puja for their husbands. And then both the brothers leave. "Let's go, Bharti. Let's go out for shopping together."
Yes, sister. All the house chores are over. Let's go for some shopping today.
"Yes, my dear, let's go." Both of them go to the market and shop. Far away from the city in a small village lived Vikas and Vinay's aunt Kanta. She has a son named Deepak. The mother-son duo is very jealous of others' success. They say to each other,
Did you get any information, mother?
About what, son?
Vikas and Vinay have started a new factory in the city again. It seems they have become very rich.
Is it so? But what work do they do?
At this point, uncle comes and hears what they say and tell them.
It's really very commendable. In a short time, both the brothers have established a strong business for themselves. And their wives to love each other. Family should always be like this.
Kanta says on hearing this,
You are always praising other people's children. Is our Deepak less capable than anyone?
Oh, why are you getting angry, dear? After all, they too are your sister's sons. Okay, now, serve me some food. I'm very hungry.
After a few days, Kanta goes to Vikas and Vinay's house in the city.
Welcome, auntie. Is everything okay? You have surprised us with your visit. You should have called me. I would have come to pick you up.
You both have become so busy now. Would you have had any free time for me? I was missing you all a lot and so came to visit you.
You did the right thing, Auntie. We are very happy that you have come here. Now you must stay with us for a few days.
Yes, son. I will stay here for a few days.
Seeing the beautiful splendor of their house, the aunt's eyes go wide in amazement. She feels jealous.
Wow, what a beautiful house you have made. If my sister was alive today, she would have been very proud of both of her sons' success. Everyone's praising the both of you these days. Yes.
Dear auntie, you are like our mother. It is an honor that you are here with us.
Kanta starts living there and she keeps thinking how to break the family apart. And one day when she got the chance, she spoke to Seema.
Hey, dear Seema, are you concerned about your and your son's future or not?
Why, auntie? What makes you say that?
Oh, my dear innocent daughter-in-law, you are very naive. Vikas is completely lost in his brother's love. But what is wrong with you?
I don't really understand, auntie.
This factory, all this wealth, it belongs to you and your child. Vinay is enjoying for free. All the hard work is done by my dear Vikas. Vikas is very hardworking since childhood, yes.
What are you saying, auntie?
I am being very honest. Today everything seems normal. But mark my words, later on this Vinay will take over everything that belongs to you. My job was to warn you. Now it's your choice.
And then aunt says the same things to Bharti. Aunt's words affect both Seema and Bharti so much that both of them don't sleep the whole night. What if auntie is right? I need to do something. Bharti is also thinking the same thing.
Is this possible? But if auntie is saying it must be all true.
The next day, they both seem distant from each other. After a few days, both of them have fights over small issues now and then. The aunt was very happy seeing this. After a few days, Seema tells Vikas, "Listen, dear, I think we should separate and live apart from brother Vinay now. He should do something on his own too, right? After all, you started the business."
What are you saying? Vinay is my younger brother. Taking care of him is my responsibility. And you are saying I should part ways with him?
Yes. And in any case, this is bound to happen sometime. Then why not now? I will not share my child's share of wealth with anyone. Bharti too tells Vinay about separating out from his brother. And in no time, there is a lot of quarreling in the family. And one day, Vikas tells Vinay,
Vinay, I think we brothers should now think of dividing the house between us. We should divide the assets we have amongst us.
Vinay wanted the same thing too. And the next day, both the brothers divide their wealth equally. Vinay starts a new business himself. After dividing the two brothers, the aunt is very happy. And after a few days pass, one day. What happened, dear? I have been noticing that you're worried since a few days. What is the matter?
What do I say, Seema? The entire business is slowly crashing. Now the income is not like before. Creditors are knocking on our doors every other day. I am just good at making products. I don't know how to market products like Vikas.
Saying this, Vikas goes to his room. On the other hand, Bharti asks the same question to Vinay.
What is the matter? Why are you so tensed?
Don't ask me anything. This new business is not my cup of tea. I just know how to sell products. But only brother Vikas knows how to make good products. Nowadays, the income has gone down so much that small expenses have become impossible.
Vinay sits down in despair. One night when Seema brings water for the aunt near her room, she hears aunt speaking very loudly with someone. She was speaking on the phone very loudly and laughing too.
Oh dear Champa, now what should I tell you? Seema and Bharti were so naive to manipulate that I easily brainwashed them. Vinay and Vikas are both obedient husbands, it seems. Yes.
Seema understands the aunt's plans easily. And then the next day she tells Bharti the entire story. Then both of them tell their husbands all the truth. Now both the brothers understand that this fiasco was a result of their aunt's manipulation. The next day Vikas tells Vinay,
Vinay, please forgive me. Please come back and take your job.
Brother, what are you saying? You are my elder brother. Actually, the mistake is ours. We did this blunder by following what aunt said.
Yes. We should have never listened to her. Our success is in staying and being together. We cannot be successful alone.
Seema and Bharti realize their mistake too. Both of them apologize to each other. Please forgive me, Bharti. I fell for aunt's words.
No, sister. I made a mistake too. I also believed what auntie said. But now we won't let her stay here even for a second.
Saying this, both of them go to aunt's room and say, Auntie, please forgive us, but you must leave our house immediately and come back only when you care about us. Don't come to separate us. Kanta leaves their house and goes to her village. After that, she never had the thought of separating Vikas and Vinay again. Vikas and Vinay now stay together like they did before. We should always stay together and not get stirred by outsiders.